Welcome to our channel. Welcome to another one of our videos. Today we're going to talk about SoFi. Now, as you guys know, the Super Bowl is happening in SoFi. So SoFi should be making some money off this Super Bowl coming up today. All right, tell us who your teams are down below. And if you wait until the end of the video, you'll see what all our positions are and all our trades that we currently have. So let's get busy. All right, currently we own 1,000 shares of SoFi. So far this month, we've taken in $4,436 in premiums and profits for February. Of that number, $1,318 was closed positions. At this time, this is only option closed positions. I haven't closed any stock positions this month. This is what happened on Friday. As you can see, we jumped all the way up here to around 13 something, and then we drove all the way down. Now, we still stayed in the positive, whereas the other stocks went into the negative. The NASDAQ was down 2.78%. Now, the volume was about 77 million shares on Friday. That's above our about 50 million shares traded daily. Our market cap is around 10 billion. We should be around 15 billion right now because we're also a bank now. So we should get a higher multiple, in my opinion. Our earnings are coming up on March 1st. The analyst price targets is $16 up to $25, and we're below the low. Let's hit our unusual activity first. Now, this is for the weekly options, February 18th coming up. Folks been buying up the 13 strike price of 17,600. Now, that controls 1.7 million shares, all in one day. Some folks also bought the 12 puts as a hedge against their position, just in case that war escalates, trying to protect some of their assets. First piece of news we're going to cover here is buy this cheap stock before everyone else does. SoFi is down about 45% since November and is trading around $12 a share. It's been growing rapidly and offers some unique differentials that sets it apart from competitors. SoFi just got a bank charter, which is a rare advantage for a fintech. The growth investors have endured a very significant market downturn during the past few months. The NASDAQ 100, a good measure of large cap growth stocks, is down about 10%. The overall decline has brought down the valuation of some great stocks and turned them into good buys. One cheap stock you can't overlook right now is SoFi. This fintech is dirt cheap and the great buy at its present valuation. The fintech stock price climbed to about $23 a share on November 4th, then became a rapid decline over the next 3 months. Then they talk about the products and the services for the members' use has jumped 108% to about 4.3 million in the past year. That contributed to a 35% increase in the third quarter revenue of $272 million from a year earlier. And we're expected to report fourth quarter and full year numbers on March 1st. Second reason, SoFi's technology service arms a banking as a service business, which is a key differential. In the business line, the company farms out its technology and expertise to other companies and organizations that want to provide their own digital banking services. It's been growing like wildfire too. SoFi bought into the business when it acquired Gallo in 2020, and it's generating strong growth with third quarter revenues up 29% year over year to $55 million. This is not only a revenue generator on its own, but this business also opens up significant opportunities to cross-sell SoFi's lending and other products. The third advantage is SoFi's recent bank charter, which received through its acquisition of Golden Pacific Bancorp, which closed on February 2nd. This is a big deal because it's rare for a fintech to get a bank charter, but this opens many new doors. Offer higher interest rates on customer balances, giving it a competitive advantage. The company also doesn't have to pay interest to bank partners to fund its lending activity. Moreover, because it can now hold loans on its balance sheet, it can collect interest throughout the life of the loan. Now, they also talked about providing 1% on its members' accounts, which is going to beat Bank of America, Wells Fargo, JP Morgan. Nobody provides 1% on its members' accounts. So this is a big driver right here that I believe is going to take accounts away from all those other big banks. Next article here also came out on the 11th of February. Buy SOFI Stock, Analyst says. The fintech is set to deliver strong revenue growth. SoFi Technologies stock is a buy because the company will deliver strong revenue growth thanks to its member growth and vertical integrated platform. Bank of America said Friday. So even Bank of America is saying this. And they're the competitors against SoFi. Analysts initiated coverage on the financial services platform on Friday with a buy rating and a price target of $17. So folks, you see there, price prediction 17. My price prediction is around 25. We should be trading around 20 right now. Take a glimpse at the chart here. We're still trending higher, even though we had a setback because of the global issues that came out. If those global issues didn't come out, we'd still be trending a lot higher. We'd probably be at 13.50 right now, or 13.90. So I see us easily getting up around $15 at earnings time period. So I might jump into those calls like all these other folks are doing and buy some calls against the stock before earnings. We'll see how the market does in the next day or so. All right, as I promised you guys at the end of the video, here's our open positions of our spreads. We bought the SPY just to protect ourselves with this global impact this week. We'll see what happens. And so far, it's profitable of $65. The ZG with the Ziller did excellent. We will see here coming up this next week and see if we collect that premium of $176 or put the stock at 55. IWM. I also sold that. Actually, I bought this option here at the 191 and I sold the 181 about a week and a half ago. And the reason why is because I believe that the market is going to come down with this world event that was coming up. So we'll see what happens this week on this trade here. Then Upstart coming up. They got earnings coming up and I have a trade against that earnings. And if I get put the stock, it's no big deal at 95. I don't mind owning it there, as long as I get that premium of 408. And then we got a cruise line here, NCLH. We did calls and we did puts against it. Remember, we gave ourselves some time, 18th of March. Now here's one of our oil stocks and gas. G Lang, that's 18th of March. Also, I have Ford puts on the 18th as well. My healthcare stock is HTA. That's in April. And another oil stock down here, DVN. I've been making money off of DVN. Now these are my cover call positions in AMD and Open. And look at all these profits we took in from our previous trades for the month of February only. If you take the pluses and minuses, it comes out to 38.47. Now let's look at the stocks. This is our current open stock position. In our taxable accounts, our IRAs, our index funds. Yes, we do have index funds in our IRAs. Everybody should have index funds or mutual funds in their IRAs. Please click that like button if you like our channel and subscribe to our channel so you can get future content. Appreciate everybody watching our video today. Everybody have fun watching the Super Bowl. I hope your team wins. But remember, there could only be one winner. But then again, SoFi is going to be a winner because everybody's at their stadium. They're going to make some money today. We'll see how much at earnings coming up here on the 1st of March. Y'all take care out there and you guys be safe. Until next time, this is Sonny. I'm out.